In the next few minutes, Texas Senators and Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick may unveil and discuss the rules and the procedures of the upcoming impeachment trial of Attorney General Ken Paxton. All of this comes after holding private meetings most of today and yesterday. I want to bring in political reporter Jack Fink joining us now to explain. Jack, I think the question that everybody's asking is, why is this taking so long?
Well, Ken, I'm actually keeping an eye on the live stream of the Texas Senate right now on my phone just to see how quickly senators reconvene. And state senators are the jurors. So they are the people who will ultimately decide whether Attorney General Ken Paxton loses his job permanently or gets his job back. The House voted by a large margin last month to impeach Paxton on 20 articles. Paxton is accused of misusing his power and office to help himself and a campaign donor. He has denied any wrongdoing from the start. Senators will decide the rules of the evidence introduced at the trial and whether there will be live witnesses providing testimony. One rule potentially being discussed is whether Paxton's wife, Angela, who is a state senator, or any other senator will have to recuse themselves. Senator Paxton has said she will attend. Removing Paxton requires support by 2/3 of the senators present at trial. A new poll released by the Texas Politics Project at UT Austin shows 50% of those surveyed overall believe Paxton's impeachment was justified. 17% say it was not justified. 33% say they don't know or have no opinion. Now, when it comes to the Republicans who were surveyed, the poll shows it's very close. 31% saying it was justified, 30% saying it was not, and 39% saying they don't know or have no opinion, indicating they may be persuadable. Joshua Blank with the Texas Politics Project says the political pressure is on Republican senators.
Is that no matter what they do, they are going to create hard feelings amongst some of their voters. And that's why this process feels so torturous at this point and why it's so difficult for them to move forward with it.
The Republican Party of Texas has condemned Paxton's impeachment. The poll shows most Democrats believe the impeachment was justified. Perhaps
obviously,
no surprise.
The process, and as you've explained, very complicated. I'm wondering, though, Jack, what all of this is going to cost the taxpayers?
Well, that's a good question. We don't know just yet. It's a little early, but it could be millions of dollars. And a lot is going to depend on the rules and procedures of the trial set by the Senate. A source told me that the House is going to set the budget after the Senate sets the rules. Taxpayers will be paying for attorneys for the House who are prosecuting the case against Paxton. Paxton's lead lawyer, Tony Busby, says Paxton himself won't use taxpayer money to pay for his defense. He was asking supporters on Twitter to contribute. Senators who will act as the jury will be paid their daily stipend, which is $221 a day.
All right. And the trial? How long could that go?
That's anyone's guess. It's really going to depend on the rules and the procedures that are set, whether they're going to be live witnesses and testimony and how much evidence is presented. So we're talking that this could take months.
I mean, it took us a long time to get to this point.
Yeah.
So you're right. It could be, we could be in here for the long haul.
Yeah.
All right. You'll be watching.
I'll be watching, and they haven't convened yet.
Okay.
So.